Hi, today I will create for you another video as an answer for your uploaded video. Let's start with the registration process. I've tested the registration process and most of the things are working fine. I have to highlight that during the weekend all the mentioned problems in the test documentation could be recognized, and we experienced these problems. Unfortunately, you are playing a not so nice game. You answered about 36 hours later with your video, which is which doesn't prove anything. You could correct the problems within this time frame, so it's actually just a joke, but I've retested the registration process and it clearly works with some minor problems. When the registration is successful, the user is taken back to the main page, like on my picture, and the system does not indicate whether the registration was successful or not, but at the end we get the email which was missing previously to the registered email address. This was, as you can see, the successful create your account email arrived. I would like to highlight that this is the username, and I was able to re-register this username again. Here you can see this is info@ and another email address, and also it's logo original @inftech.co.uk, and it's very clear that I could register the same username again. I noticed another problem with the administration side. So I will try to log into the administration panel. You sent me an email address that was admin@gmail.com, and the password was 123456. So I will enter it into the password field, 123456. Unsuccessful login. Again, previously the password was simply admin. So I enter into the password field admin and login. So it seems that you changed the administrative credentials just forget to mention to me. So it's impossible for me at the moment to check the functionalities coming from administration panel. So user can register with the same username without problem. The admin panel is unreachable at the moment. About the password change, I was able to test it successfully, so it seems that after my first pass of the test issues documentation, you corrected this problem too. What is needed, the status notification would be great here too. What functionalities seem to be working. Okay, then I will log into the system with my user. My account. It wasn't here during our test process. You changed this. It has been also changed. The profile modification was available only from this panel. Under the mobile number section, there was a change password section. I'm pretty sure that under the white line it is also available. You just resize the size of the form. That's why we don't see it now. And during the weekend test we noticed that it's very simple to change the password. It's only one row without any old password fields and so on. But you changed it. Now it's okay for me. The password field, the new password field is fine. When I do some modification and I save on settings, you can see that the profile, billing profile, and the work with us is too close to the about us. So this is still an issue. We can go further. Yeah, it's my original picture. Let's go further with favorites. Okay. I don't really get the meaning of this favorite. So there are 3 people, 3 users who likes this picture. What is this favorite one? I don't really get the meaning. What I was talking about is anything else. I can see that if I would like to make favorite a picture, I have to click on the like button. That's great. And and it's very interesting because we have talked about that we will count only till 99 and then we will indicate a plus for the rest, but it counts till 101, but it isn't the meaning of the functionality. It's great to have only likes here and count as much likes as the picture has. What has to be changed is at the main page, the fav icon. The number of the likes has to be counted here till 99 plus. So at the moment our requirement, which was highlighted here, are not functional according to our requirements. Becoming seller. Your video shows only what I was telling you in the first part of the test issues, and that's great and fine. As I wrote you, become seller after user accepts the two contracts, a new billing profile datasheet appears. That is okay. I filled out the billing address, and then the admin accepted the request. There was no notification sent to the user, and the filled out billing profile just disappeared. What does this mean? For this, you can see here that the text is overlapping each other because now it's loading. Because the site is really slowly, I don't know why. But I will go back to the my account. Hopefully it will load. And this billing profile is the profile for the buyer. There is also a billing profile for the seller. And this billing profile for the sellers are filled out during the registration process. That's why I'm writing here. But the billing profile, the seller billing profile, disappears. In my case, that was, I think it wasn't different from the user profile. It was the same, but the structure of the seller's billing profile differs from the structure of the buyer's billing profile, and I can't see it here. Work with us. First of all, I will log out from this account. And let's begin. Okay, feeling creative, work with us. It's very good. It's just working fine because I don't see here the contracts. That's great. I can do a registration. It's okay. Or I can log in. That's fine. Then log in. I have to admit that according to the design file, this should be called buyer profile, seller profile. But we can work with this, or we can live together with this problem. We can use this. However, it differs from the send PDF file. Now I will try to show you my problem. Somewhere here I should have so first I will show you, okay, only PDF file out. Here is a typo, but okay, let's go further. During my weekend test, this functionality dropped the same message when I chose the PDF file. That has been already corrected by you. That's why you could show this on your video. And it was the same for .ai, the system dropped here the same error message. That's why I told you that the upload functionality is not working at the moment, because because of those error messages I couldn't finish filling out this form. So I know that here I have to choose one picture, one JPG, and here I can choose for different ones. Okay, I will choose digital. Okay, and the price will be $1. Okay, the color scheme. Accept terms and conditions and upload logo. So it is still an issue. You already corrected this. So it's okay. Still uploading. This problem that I mentioned happens every evening. Now I could reach the site but most of the time during the night we cannot reach your site. That's still a problem. Okay, still uploading. Okay, I had been waiting more than 20 minutes to upload the photos. For some reasons I couldn't upload it. That's a little problem, but anyway, we will go further with this. What we have. So I add logo to my cart. View my cart. It's good for me. I don't want to change the billing profile. So I click on continue. I have an order summary and I go to checkout. Yes, I'm sure. What I don't understand it's really just a question. I don't really understand that paying $40 why is reparted into two amounts. Hopefully in the live version it will be anything else. So at the moment I don't see that the VAT, that the value was added to the amount, but I will try to pay for this logo. Okay, I filled out all the required information. Okay, I changed my mind because I don't trust you and I don't want to buy in the test PayPal account a $40 picture. So I could upload successfully a photo which I'm going to buy. It has only $1, the value of $1. Hopefully we will see it sometime at the main page. I will wait till be available. Okay, I could log into the administration panel because I found your email. For some reason I got it just now, however the time is indicated here, so I could already approve. My logo is available here. What I don't see is the commission. Commission is